I'll show you in this video how you can fix audio in Premiere Pro using the audio enhancement feature we have in Premiere Pro. It was added recently. I mean, it was available in beta, but now it's available on Premiere Pro 2024, the stable version. So let's check this out and test, and I'm gonna add for this to this video. So I'm gonna go here, right here, and I'm gonna select here audio. And now if I select this audio here, I have this option dialog. I'll click on this, and now here you have some presets if you want the podcast voice. Click on enhancement here. When I have to reanalyze here this one, but we're just waiting for this one. Okay, it's done. Reanalyzed. Okay, it's fine. Podcast voice. Okay, amount, we can change the amount. We can change the vocal enhancement. Let's see now. This is a test. Test. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, and before it was really bad. So not even. I'm gonna let me show you actually how it sounded like. Also, just undo this. Test. I mean, I don't have. I even tried to get some background noise, but I don't even have. It's just too loud. It's just like my voice is cracking. It's just too loud, and I don't have here a problem with the background noise. But I'm 100% sure it will fix the background noise because I've tried on a different microphone, and it did pick up some the inbuilt microphone from the iPhone. And there was some background noise, but it fixed. But anyways, now just we can click on here to enhance. We don't have. You can also use custom. All right, is now I can add some clarity if I want. I can change from natural to more focused, reanalyzed, equalizer, background voice, and now let's play this. Hello. Welcome. Test 1, 2, 3. Okay. Test. Now if it's too loud, the way I will fix this, if it just hold Option or Alt, then you can zoom out, and then I can if I want, I can add here, let's say the beginning of the video is louder, and then the other part is it's like gradually increases the volume. Okay, and now we can gonna add again this effect, and that's pretty much what you're gonna have to do. I hope you found this helpful, and I hope this feature is going to be useful in your project. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more videos.